Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to show hidden files and folders in Windows 11 computer. So hidden files play a pivotal role in the operating system architecture, primarily designed to protect your system integrity and ensure smooth functionality. The rationale behind keeping these files hidden is to prevent accidental alterations or deletions that could disrupt system performance and safeguard critical system files from unintended modifications. Then I'll show you how to enable it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is to use File Explorer options. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. And then once you open up this File Explorer, so you can see now this View tab. This is the layout and view options, and then click. And the next step, then hover over this show and then click. And then next step, then you need to select this hidden items. All right, to enable those hidden files and folders. So once you've done this in File Explorer, and the other method that we're going to do is to use Control Panel. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Control Panel, and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify this view by, and you can say this large icons, then we need to change that. Click this arrow and select category. And then you need to select appearance and personalizations and then click. So here in appearance and personalizations, and then you need to select File Explorer options, and then you can see now this show hidden files and folders, and then click and pop up this File Explorer option settings. And the next step, then we have general view and search, and then you need to select this view, and then here at advanced settings, and then you need to select show hidden files, folders, and drives off, and then click that one. And the next step, click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so in the next method that we're going to do is to use settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And once open up, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select this privacy and security, and then click. And on right side, and then you can see this security, and then you need to select for developers, and then click. So here at for developer settings, and then you need to select File Explorers, and then click. And then you need to scroll down, and you can see this show hidden and system files. So it should be turned on. All right. So if turned off, and then you need to turn on to view all hidden files and folders on computer system. All right. So that's it, guys, on how to show hidden files and folders in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.